Alright, so here is the latest version of OpenChrony, version 1.5. I'm going to show you the operation, new functionality, and then I'll kind of go over the new features. Oh, quick note, I am aware that Hasbro is making their own chronograph slash ammo counter, and that is awesome. I would love to not have to work on this anymore. So let's hope that pans out. That was an error, didn't pass the second gate. Same thing again, I need to work on my alignment. There we go. Another error. Another one. And there's another. Alright, so as you can see, there's some big changes from the last version. I have removed those two LEDs for the indicators, and I've removed all but the green LED and that push button. So I will have new files for this up that make it so you don't need to have those holes there. So primarily I changed the code so that you can continuously fire, and then also it'll give you an actual error message if you don't clear the second gate, and it'll reset itself so you don't have to manually reset like in the first version. Okay, and then also to do the so I did have to clear that there because it does still wait for the first one to be, like, the code gets all held up until this first gate gets cleared. So in order to switch the mode, I did have to clear that first gate. Now, if you remember in version 1.0, I could only switch the mode after it was like out of its shooting mode, and that old red LED was on. So now you don't have to be in any certain mode, but you do have to make sure that first gate is cleared. So that's still something I need to work on before the next version. Anyway, so the indicators for checking the potentiometers that affect that reference voltage are now we have the output on directly on the 7-segment display. So we can, those will change to 1s as you block them. And yeah, that's about it. It's much more functional. And I'm going to be working on getting it into a smaller mobile package, kind of like a suppressor size that you can attach to a Nerf blaster. But once again, if Hasbro comes through and that thing works for modded blasters, then I'm done with this project and I would be very happy. So, yep, thanks.